नमस्कार सभी को, आशा किरण चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्विज ऑफ निष्ठा मॉड्यूल 4 आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और सब्सक्राइब की राइट साइड में जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी प्रेस कर देंगे ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, can art be integrated with all subjects at the secondary level? Options are only with social science and language, with science only, yes can be integrated with all subjects, cannot be integrated at all. Correct answer is C, yes can be integrated with all subjects. Next question, art integrated learning should be promoted in the classroom because it fulfills pedagogical needs of competency based learning, helps teacher improve quality of the cultural programs, helps in beautification of the school, improves percentage of the academic results. Correct answer is A, fulfills pedagogical needs of competency based learning. Next question, which of the following does not come under visual arts? Collage making, pottery, creative writing, photography. Correct answer is C, creative writing. Next question, which of the following is not suggested as an ALE approach? Visit to art galleries, school art exhibitions, celebration of festivals, written assignments. Correct answer is D, written assignments. Next question, artwork of a learner brings in the vibrancy of his/her social context. Appropriate for all learners, not at all appropriate, valid in certain situations only, valid in some subjects. Correct answer is A, appropriate for all learners. Next question, ALE is a cross-curricular pedagogical approach where learner gets adequate space and scope for free expression. In few situations only, no, it is false. True, ALE is a cross-curricular pedagogical approach in some subjects. Correct answer is C, true, ALE is a cross-curricular pedagogical approach. Next question, the activity titled Appreciating Architecture is associated with literary arts, performing arts, culinary arts, visual arts. Correct answer is literary arts. Next question, art integrated learning approach cannot help in increasing student engagement, incorporating interdisciplinary approach, building critical thinking and problem solving skills, memorization of correct answer. Correct answer is D, memorization of correct answers. Next question, how does art integrated learning benefit students in their formative years? Help recognizes new skills, does not provide ample time to complete allotted tasks, develops fear towards the subject, decrease engagement. Correct answer is A, help recognize new skills. Next question, through art integrated learning, teachers will be able to develop art related historical projects, examination resources for academic results, art competition spirit, activities for art experience. Correct answer is D, activities for art experience. Next question, which of the following statement is not correct? ALE allows students to engage in the creative inquiry process. ALE is experiential in nature and leads to holistic development of every learner. ALE provides teacher with an access to monitor the continuous and comprehensive process of learning. ALE adds monotony to the classroom and makes learning a cumbersome process. Correct option is D, ALE adds monotony to the classroom and makes learning a cumbersome process. Next question, while engaging with arts, the learner does not go through rote learning, thinking and imagining, exploring and experimenting, creating and recreating. Correct answer is A, rote learning. Next question, which of the following is an unconventional way of obtaining colors in folk visual arts? Sindoor, herbal colors, crayons, red and yellow earth. Correct answer is C, crayons. Next question, which of the following statements is true? Art integrated learning is a costly and time consuming approach. Art integration is not possible for subjects. Art integration requires teachers to have special art expertise. Art can be integrated using materials commonly available around us. Correct answer is D. Art can be integrated using materials commonly available around us. Next question. Art integrated learning is a teaching learning model based on learning with visual arts only, learning with a unique art form, learning with performing arts only, learning through all art forms. Correct answer is D. Learning through all art forms. Next question. In art integrated learning, art has been referred as classical art, pedagogical tool, examination method, folk art. Correct answer is B. Pedagogical tool. Next question. Which of the following is not a basic principle of art integrated learning? Learning is inclusive, learning is transdisciplinary, learning is teacher centric, learning is experiential. Correct answer is C. Learning is teacher centric. Next question. Art at the center of curriculum helps in dash the concepts confusing, memorizing, clarifying, complicating. Correct answer is C. Clarifying. Next question. Which of the following is not correct for the art of sculpting? Figurative work with clay, painting with watercolor, images created with plaster of Paris, bamboo structures. Correct answer is B. Painting with watercolor. Next question. Which of the following does not help in promotion of local arts and crafts in school? Providing space to local arts in school campus using chalk and talk method, visit to local art centers, inviting local artisans and craftsmen. Correct answer is B. Using chalk and talk method. Next question. In this way we have answered all the 20 questions. अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू टू ऑल.